It is almost spring. The sun is shining. We've had like 3 days of just beautiful weather. It has been colder because there's no cloud cover, but it's okay. I will take the sunshine any day. I actually filmed this inside first, but the lighting is just so much better out here than inside the yurt. But I just wanted to express how excited I am right now. I am in tears excited. I finally finished our living room area in the yurt. I've been working on it for like a week or so, not too long, but the yurt has just been in crazy madness, in shambles, stuff everywhere. I mean, it was insane. It was so stressful, but sometimes it has to be like that for you to get something beautiful. And I absolutely love how the space turned out. It turned out way better than I was expecting, and I'm not even 100% done yet. There's still a couple of things here and there. I cannot wait for you guys to see it because it looks so good. I'm just so excited. It's crazy how just a little space can just uplift your spirit, because man, was I feeling very claustrophobic in the yurt and just feeling overwhelmed with it not being organized. And I'm a very organized person. I like things to have their place. I want to know where they are. So it is very nice. I actually have a coffee table now, and I have extra storage underneath the couch, and it just turned out so good. I just love the way it turned out. Every time I see it, I'm just like, and Jake's like, what? And I'm like, I just love it so much. I know I'm being crazy, but it's amazing what a space can do for somebody when it's clean or when it's done in a way that expresses their personality. And this new space for me, that's what it is. It's an expression of me, and I'm able to just reach down and pick up my knitting needles and knit, and I can reach over and grab my ukulele and play a song or read a book, or just sit and relax and look out into the yurt next to the fire. And I'm just really happy. And I'm happy that the sun is shining, and I know that there's still going to be rain coming. We're thinking the next couple days is going to be rain, but I have the space now inside the yurt that is going to make me feel better than before. I have a ton of projects coming up. I wanted to talk about the upcoming videos that I have that I'm like really jazzed for you guys to see. I've been playing around with natural dyes. Right now I'm currently dyeing with avocado skins and avocado pits, and I'm filming the whole thing, and it's a beautiful video so far. I just have to wait until the dye process is done. So that video is coming out. I'm also going to be, see my dog's fighting. I'm also going to be dyeing and experimenting with tons of stuff, but up next is going to be with turmeric and all the bark shavings that Jake and I are pole sawing off of our logs for our log cabin. I'm also building a log cabin, 2 log cabins actually. One is going to be a bathroom and one is going to be for guests. So there's a lot going on. So stick with me and stick with the other channel because we have amazing content coming up. The cabin build is going to be amazing, and we are really excited about it. We've never built a log cabin before. This is very neat to us, and it's going to be an interesting journey. But I'm really excited to be taking all of the shavings and dyeing with it, because I'm going to be making a blanket. So it's going to be like a granny square crocheted blanket where each of the squares is going to be a different shade of brown that I pulse off from the bark. So that's more projects coming up. There's just a lot going on. I'm trying to not get overwhelmed, but having the living room area done is like a check off the list to where I can focus on other things that I'm working on. So yay! What I want to say to you guys real quick to get you thinking, if you have a room in your house or an area in your house that is just cluttered and stressing you out, maybe you should tackle that for spring cleaning and get it organized, get it cleaned, and make it your own space. And just, I want you guys to experience the joy that I'm feeling, because I'm feeling just like a flood of emotions. I'm just so excited. I can't wait for you guys to see it. I'm walking back to the yurt right now because it's a little chilly out here. But yeah, so let's get on with the vlog, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new and comment something down below. I love reading the comments. Hit that like button and let's get on with the vlog. Pretty much the same. Yeah, I'm just taking two, so take this off. Spin it?
You're fine. You're fine right there.
Are you sure?
Yeah. What are you doing with all this?
What?
All these pallets.
I am making a couch.
A yurt couch?
Doing that against that one.
That's cool. Where's your mark on this one?
Here.
So is it okay with there?
Yeah, that's fine. Here is the beautiful space that I created. The couch is made out of pallets and the coffee table is made from crates. The coffee table isn't quite done. I'm gonna put some wheels on it, but I just wanted to show you guys kind of how it's gonna look. I'm just so excited, and I have more storage space now. And over here I was able to make some shelves where that Buddha statue is and use it as like a bookshelf. Hung some plants. It's just so nice over here. And then over here we have a project I'm working on for an upcoming video. I'm dyeing a shirt right now with some avocados, so stay tuned for that. Another area I kind of improved, I took the shelf that was over where the couch is and I kind of made it my tea shelf and also a bookshelf, so I'm really excited about that. Still some organizing to do over here, but I'm happy the way that it's turning out, so.